para mapagsama-sama ko ang mga OPM icons in one stage. Dream Production Unlocked, grabe talaga. This is an ultimate collaboration for me. And thank you so much, Miss Lani, Sir Martin, Miss Z, Tito Ogie.
Bakit may Tito Ogie?
Kasi ganun kita ka-love, Tito. Ganun tayo ka-close na.
Tito.
Tito Mark.
Yes.
Tito Mark. Parang
Miss Z,
fair.
Miss
Tito Mark.
Z.
Congratulations
Miss Z,
to
Miss
you.
Lani. Maraming salamat po for taking time to be a part of my 20th anniversary concert.
Of course.
Of course.
It is a dream. It is a
20
dream to have
years.
with you.
Jonah, we love you. You are so good. Hindi namin
Isn't she great?
kung saan nanggagaling ang boses mo.
We took one look at you and we knew this show, Jonah be a great show.
John.
Thank you very
John.
much.
Jonah
great
be
show.
a great show.
Thank you. Thank
Yes.
you, Lord.
Jonah have a
Thank you.
good time. Jonah, what I mean?
And talagang Jonah, you are Jonah. Pangit ang joke.
Okay lang dito, okay, mahal ka namin.
Joke
Mahal
na
talaga
pala
namin.
yun.
Mahal ka namin. Mahal ka namin lahat. So, kahit ano
Salamat.
pang joke yan.
Yung sinabi niyo kanina, ano
Yes.
sinabi mo kanina bago
Sabi ko, it's
mag-show?
Jonah be a good show. It's
nila nakuha.
Jonah be a good
Hoy, kasi yung joke ni Tito Mark, pang high-end.
Did you get it?
Pang high-end kasi.
Hindi nila na...
Kasi
Oh my God, you didn't get it?
yung joke ko kasi
It's
pang Gen Z.
Jonah be...
Saan yung mga Gen Z?
Carlo, you got it? Jonah be...
Nasaan daw yung mga Gen Z? Yung pang joke kasi nito, okay, pang Gen Z. Come on, Gen Z!
Over.
Nasaan kayo? Taas kamay!
You got it?
Gen Z ka ba? Wala lang.
But Jonah, jokes aside, talagang very happy kaming lahat para sa'yo. This is well-deserved. Naman kahit babagyo, dumating sila! Kanya-kanya
I
kamahal!
love you, Jonah.
And I know, ganun nyo rin po ako kamahal kasi talagang alam ko po, it took your energy, your time, effort, and talent to be here, to share the gift to all of them. Kaya palakpakan po muli natin ang mga OPM icons and OPM legends. Once again, Mr. Ogie Alcacid, Miss Shasha Padilla, Miss Lani Misalucha, and Mr. Martin Rivera. Thank you so much po.